Hello guys, my name is Adarsh and I welcome you guys to the brand new video of FinTech. So today is the 7th episode of our stock market series. If you haven't watched any other videos of this series, I will put the link here. You can go and watch that videos. In this video, we are going to learn about what is Nifty and what is SENSEX. It is one of the simple term guys. Simple video and it is a simple content. In small time, I am going to teach you this. So without wasting any time, let's get into the class. So in India, there are two stock exchanges. First one is NSE, National Stock Exchange, and the second one is BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. And the index of NSE, National Stock Exchange, is Nifty 50, and the index of BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, is SENSEX. So now I am going to explain some of the common things that you want to know about these stock exchanges. So I have written the points here, you can look it here. So when we are telling about the BSE, it is one of the oldest stock exchange, not in India, the oldest stock exchange in Asia. So BSE one of the oldest stock exchange in Asia and it was founded in 1875. Okay, when we are looking into NSE, NSE is the biggest stock exchange in India and also NSE is the first stock exchange that brings fully automated electronic trading system in India. Okay. And the index of BSE is SENSEX and the index of NSE is Nifty. That was I have written here. I will tell detail about this. Wait for some minutes. Okay. There are 5,000 plus companies are listed in BSE and when we are looking into NSE, there are only 1,500 plus companies. Why the difference? Why? Because BSE has started its journey as earlier than the NSE. Okay, that's why there was a difference. The global ranking of BSE is 10th. So when we are looking into NSE, now NSE is the world largest derivative exchange. As Indians, we want to be proud in that. Okay. Important point you want to note here is that as a trader and as an investor, most of the people use NSE, National Stock Exchange, than BSE. Because of that, the liquidity of BSE is less than NSE. And let's talk about this. So what is index? That was the main topic, right? What is index? In simple terms, index means a thing that indicates something, right? And index means a thing that indicates something. From that, you can understand that the value of index is derived from some other things. The value of index is derived from other things. That is what we can see here. So in simple words, Nifty indicates the overall performance of the companies in NSEs. There is also another thing. There are 1,500 plus companies are listed in NSE. And some of the companies in this group is not performing, is not actively performing. So it is necessary for this index to track the performance of that company. It is necessary? No. So for avoiding these type of things, there was a solution. This index will track only the performance of first 50 companies. The best 50 companies in National Stock Exchange. The best 50 companies. And what the stock exchange do is that they will list all the companies in the stock exchange and they will rank them by many criteria. And this index Nifty 50, the index of National Stock Exchange, only track the performance of the first 50 companies. So if the Nifty 50 is going up, it indicates that the overall performance of the first 50 company is performing well and it is also going up. The overall performance, the average performance of the first 50 company is also doing well. Nifty comes down. What if the Nifty crashes? It indicates that the overall performance of the first 50 companies is not performing well. So by only looking into Nifty 50, we can understand the overall performance of the first 50 companies, right? That's it. And let's talk about the SENSEX, the index of BSE in small time. So the SENSEX is the index of BSE and the SENSEX track the first 30 companies of BSE. That's why I have written here SENSEX 30. SENSEX track the performance of first 30 companies. So when we look into the SENSEX, we get the overall picture of first 30 companies that was listed in BSE. So in news, you can see that Nifty has gone up, Nifty has come down, SENSEX moved this much gone, SENSEX have crashed. What it indicates? In Sensors, it indicates the overall momentum of the first 30 companies, and in Nifty, it indicates the overall momentum of the first 50 companies. Okay, I think you are clear with what is Nifty 50 and what is Sensors. So I told you that we as a trader, we mostly trade on NSE. So don't look into the BSE and Sensors. Actually, it is not needed for us. Okay. And in NSE, there are also other indices. So we have already discussed. So what the Nifty Next 50 true? The Nifty Next 50 tracks the next 50 companies of NSE. And Nifty 100 means it tracks the overall performance of the first 100 companies. And Nifty 200 tracks the overall performance of the first 200 companies of NSE. And also there are sectorial indices. What is sectorial indices? If you want to know the overall performance of the banking sector, what you will do? It is simple. Just look into Nifty Bank, Bank Nifty. Nifty Bank tracks the overall performance of the banking stocks. So when you look into the Nifty Bank, you will get the overall picture of the banking stocks. And also there is Nifty Auto. It tracks the overall performance of the auto sector stocks. And there is Nifty Financial Service, Nifty FMCG, Nifty IT, Nifty Service, Nifty Pharma. There are many sectors. Actually, I have no space here. That's why I am not written here. Don't mind that. So this is what an index means.
Now I am going to show you these indices in NSE website. In NSE website, click the market data at the top and select equity and SME market. Here you can see the Nifty 50 and the stocks that are constituted in Nifty 50. In Nifty 50, you can see that some of the major stocks like Reliance, Asian Paints, Wipro, Infosys, TCS, like that. In this page, you can also see the details of other indices. Now I am selected Nifty Next 50. So now you can see that the stocks that constituted in Nifty Next 50. Like this, you can select every indices in this National Stock Exchange and you can learn everything in this site.
So that's all guys. I have planned to share this much thing in this video and I am done. Please share with your friends, family, share with the people who like to come into stock market. These videos will be very useful for them. And that's all guys. I'm thanking you. Goodbye.